Fucking good. I got some food. I'm at Jamaican Pondy Road. I got the Enough Food plate. I got jerk chicken, rice and peas, steamed cabbage with a beef patty and cocoa bread. We're gonna try the beef patty and cocoa bread first. Which I feel like this is a lot of carbs, but hey. This is how they be doing it. I got this. It's a lavender berry. This looks so good. Oh my god. I'm Keith Lee today. I ain't ate all day, so yeah. This was well worth the wait. Okay, bye. I gotta eat for real, for real.